connecting kundalini yoga with the bladder meridian, flow, release, and sacred waters. Satnam, radiant beings, today we journey into the wisdom of the kundalini yoga and the energy medicine of the bladder meridian, the longest channel in traditional Chinese medicine, known as the guardian of the sacred waters. This meridian flows like a river down the back body, carrying with it ancient wisdom of release, cleansing, and renewal. The bladder is not only physical, it's emotional, spiritual, and energetic. Through the lens of kundalini yoga, meridian flow awareness, and shamanic insight, we will awaken this pathway to find freedom and balance within ourselves. The flow of bladder meridian. The bladder meridian begins at the corner of the eye and runs across the crown of the head, down the back of the neck, and flows in two parallel rivers down either side of the spine. From there, it cascades down the back of the legs and ends up at the little toe. These four branches of bladder energy greatly influence the two branches of the nervous system, which regulates all the basic vital body functions. Having energy balanced along the spine can alleviate tension and pain and promote deep relaxation. Stress promotes constant fear and worry, anxiety, tension along the spine that can trigger us to grab and abuse substances like alcohol and cannabis or food. The bladder meridian is located in the sacral chakra known as the Svadhisthana and is associated with the water element, storing not only fluids but emotions and ancestral memories. When energy flows freely here, we feel grounded, clear, and resilient. When blocked, we may feel fearful, rigid, or burdened by the weight of the past. The meridian clock. According to the meridian clock, the bladder is most active between 3 p.m. and 5 p.m., and this is a time of integration, a time to process experiences of the day and cleanse the energy body. In kundalini yoga and shamanic practices, this is a sacred window to walk, breathe, and chant or meditate, to consciously release whatever no longer serves you. Personally, I have noticed that if I eat really light or fast after 5 p.m., I have less water weight the next day, allowing the kidneys and the bladder to process my biosalts for the day. Kundalini yoga and the bladder meridian. Kundalini yoga naturally stimulates the bladder meridian through forward folds, long deep breathing, and spinal flexes, and postures that stretch the hamstrings and the spine. Surya Namaskara would be a perfect fit to stimulate the bladder meridian. Or try this, Cat-Cow Asana. On knees and hands, inhale as you arch the spine forward and exhale as you round the back. Continue for a few minutes, moving like a river. This awakens the two bladder meridian channels that run down the spine, releasing emotional tension held in the nervous system. And add a mantra, Wahe Guru, to amplify and release the fear into freedom. Shamanic and Tantric introspection. A shamanic view, the bladder meridian is the waterway of memory. Imagine it as a sacred river carrying ancestral stories, unspoken fears, and uncried tears. Close your eyes and journey inward. What river within you needs cleansing? Which memory are you ready to be released, like autumn leaves floating downstream? Where does fear hold you back from flowing into your true path? Allow the sound of your breath to be the river. With every exhale, surrender an old story, and with every inhale, receive the clarity of the sacred waters. In closing, the bladder meridian reminds us that life is a flow. To release is to renew, and to let go is to live. Through kundalini yoga, meridian wisdom, and shamanic tantric insights, we remember we are the rivers, not the dams. Thank you, radiant beings, for flowing with me today. Sat Nam.